Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we are going to discuss an example of finding Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into 3 into t raised to 5 minus cos 4t. While solving this example, we need to keep it in mind that this whole result got multiplied by an exponential. There are two ways. Either you take a split up of a group multiplication, then you can proceed after applying Laplace transformation, or else you consider the bracket other than an exponential as f of t, then apply Laplace transform on both sides. Then whatever the result we will be getting, that result will be considered by shifting property. Okay, both the things are accepted. Okay, in this what we do, better we will be taking this as a f of t. So we will be considering the given thing as f of t, that is e raised to 2t into 3t raised to 5 minus cos 4t. Okay, so we'll take a group multiplication for this, that is e raised to 2t into 3 into t raised to 5 minus e raised to 2t into cos 4t. It becomes more convenient way, time saving also. Apply Laplace transform on both sides. Then L of f of t is equal to 3 constant, a Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into t raised to 5 minus Laplace transform of e raised to 2t into cos 4t. Okay, therefore this is equal to 3 into, now there is a tie up between exponential and t raised to 5. What to do? As per shifting property, if you want to find out the Laplace transform of only t raised to 5, then s will be replaced by s minus a. A means 2, s minus 2, that can be taken. So it is Laplace transform of t raised to 5, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2, means the result will be delayed by 2, minus here again Laplace transform of other than exponential is cos 4t, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2. Again the result will be delayed by 2. So this is equal to 3 times, what is the Laplace transformation of t raised to 5? Laplace transform of t raised to 5 is 5 factorial divided by s raised to 6, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2, minus what is Laplace transformation of cos 4t? Laplace transformation of cos 4t is equal to s divided by s square plus 4 square, that is 16, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2. Therefore 3 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. So 120 divided by s raised to 6, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2. This one s divided by s square plus 16, where s is going to be replaced by s minus 2. Therefore 120 into 3, 360 divided by s is replaced by s minus 2 raised to 6, minus here s is going to be replaced by s minus 2, so it is replaced, divided by s minus 2 the whole square plus 60. Fine. So this is the result. If you want to expand, you can expand, or else keep it as a result. So this is Laplace transform of f of Thank you.